Getting a driver's license in Illinois is a step-by-step process, but it's not too complicated once you know what to expect. The first thing you'll need to do is visit a Secretary of State facility. Make sure you bring the right identification documents, since you'll need to prove who you are, your residency, and your legal right to be in the US at the facility. Your photo will also be taken. If you already have a license from another state, or any state ID or learner's permit, you'll have to turn those in before you can get your Illinois license. This makes sure you only hold one valid card at a time. Next comes the testing. Depending on your situation, you may need to pass a vision test, a written knowledge exam, and in some cases, a driving test. If you're transferring an out-of-state license with a clean record, you may not need the full road exam, but it's always best to be prepared. Once you've passed your exams, you'll pay the required fee. After that, instead of walking out with a permanent license right away, you'll receive a secure paper license that's valid for 90 days. This temporary card works the same as a regular license for driving and identification purposes. Your permanent plastic license will be mailed to you, usually within 15 business days. If you're under 21, the state has special rules under the Graduated Driver's License Program, which includes additional stages and restrictions before you can get a full license. Finally, if you're applying for a Real ID driver's license, which is often needed for things like flying within the US, you'll want to review the checklist on the Illinois Real ID website before you go, since the document requirements are stricter. And that's it. Thanks for watching.